boy see Nessa. No, she no Zessa.
No Zessa.
God done bless her, so she had to go get her.
What's good to Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss? I will back with another reaction video for you guys now. Right now, people, we have Nessa Preppy. I don't even remember her name. I can't even pronounce her name. Preppy. Ain't gonna spell her name. And Prince Swanny. You understand? Dallas official music video. You guys been spamming this and what the next one called? The one with Meds Boss and Nyla Blackman. Do I search your name? Let's see if it's there, so. Yeah, there, so. But that one there too. Maybe we'll get that one there tomorrow, we don't know. But we see what we're going for that 1 year. Dallas, because see what I put. Tap the like button, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, chop, post every single day, regardless, right now. And if you know all the business. But yeah, me I say, we're going to see what we're going for the tune, people. Run tune. Sure.
Money.
Lambo.
Yeah.
Lamborghini.
Yo, Preppy. Swan done. We want the money there. Want the money there. We want the money there. Want the money there. We want the money there. Want the money there. Yo, that's how we tell them. I'm all about the dollars, making the paper, thinking rich, stunned on the haters. All different currency, all different colors. You know I'm a girl. I'm all about my dollars. All about my
Flip a choke, I was seeing females and everything. Go on, no, I like it. I love it a lot. Let's go. I like the rhythm too.
money. Yeah. Yo, Preppy. Swan done. We want the money there. Want the money there. We want the money there. Want the money there. We want the money there. Want the money there. Yo, that's how we tell them. I'm all about the dollars, making the paper, thinking rich, stunned on the haters. All different currency, all different colors. You know I'm a girl, I'm all about my dollars.
So hold on, pause. Who shot the money them there a while ago? Who see some money for them there a while ago?
That's how we tell them. I'm all about the dollars.
More see this in the water.
Thinking rich, stunned on the haters. All different currency, all different colors. You know I'm.
Say it's all different currency, all different papers. Who shot the Jamaican money there? Where Jamaican money there? Mr. American? Where Jamaican money there? Me feel hurt. Imagine after this I react to TriniBad music, not even like $100, not even $50, not even one like a kind, not even one $10 kind.
My girl, I'm all about my dollars.
Married people.
All about my dollars. Euros, EC, TT, the pounds, the US. Come on, tell me how you gonna pay me? Give me the money. Long time since my life to make.
I don't really know of her that much, but I've heard about her. She the soca, right? Am I right? I don't know. I have to go check her out after I do that reaction here. I have to go check her out now because I want to start reacting to some female too now. Didn't me say. I know say soca soon start getting soca reaction them differently still on the channel. You see me? Well, I know I say I get to go carnival, but if I now get to go, I now start it. I jump everywhere. I start them up. Go on. Go check her out.
Bit by bit, me I work to achieve. Them used to doubt, but now them believe.
Yeah.
Nobody try come style me. Don't just say yet, so cash only. I don't wanna have my pockets empty. Every day I wanna make money. I'm all about the dollars, making the paper, thinking rich, stunned on the haters. All different currency, all different colors. You know I'm a girl, I'm all about my dollars.
Okay.
All about my dollars. Yo, yeah, Nessa, yeah, me know you about the money, girl. No boy can step to you with no folly, girl. Plus all the girl, them fi know you is a G. We a make money all when it's the carnival. So any boy see Nessa, no she no Zessa. God done bless her, so she had to go get her.
Yeah.
Any girl talk, them cannot upset her. She link with you. Oh, I'm a girl, I'm all about my dollars.
Yeah,
dollars. All about my dollars.
You are someone that do that now.
boss, I am, I know you about the money, girl. No boy can step to you with no funny, girl. Cause all the girl, them fi know you is a G. We a make money all when it's the carnival.
Always
So
the
any
carnival.
boy see Nessa, no she no Zessa.
No Zessa.
God done bless her, so she a the go-getter.
Yeah.
Any girl talk, them cannot upset her.
Yeah.
She link with the one down here, the trendsetter. Yeah, the cream for the steam, run the whole system.
Yeah.
Ask anybody bossy, take a Nessa team.
Yeah.
Be a pretty girl with all the kills.
Ask him about the cream for the whole system. Ask anybody about Z-Tech and the whole. I know Nessa team say, Rancho!
Champagne man up up with laser
I'm all
beam.
about the dollars, making the
Paper.
paper, stinking rich, stunt on the haters, all different currencies, all different colors. You know I'm a girl, I'm all about my dollars, 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 all about my
Like it.
dollars, dollars, dollars,
Ooh.
dollars, dollars. Money, money, come give me the money.
Yeah.
Investment, mama never raise no dummy.
Yeah.
Big house and land wait sunny.
Yeah.
Secure the bag, keep the cash flow running.
Okay.
Big bills, small bills, all bills. It does all add up still. Save up, flip that.
Big
Give
flip.
back, give thanks for all my blessings. Nobody try come style me. Don't trust you yet, so cash only. I don't wanna have my pockets empty. Every day I wanna make money.
'Cause
I'm
what?
all about the dollars, making the
Paper.
paper, stinking rich, stunt on the haters, all different currencies, all different colors.
Listen, we gone. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching the reaction boss video as usual. I don't know a chop. Signing out. Have a few business we need to deal with real quick. And make some more videos for you. Peace out.